राफ्टिंग उपक्रमांतल्यान भुरग्यांचो धैर्य आनी कुशळटाय विकसीत करपाक मजत जातली अशें पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनून सांगलें। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांच्या जल्मदिसा निमतान विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर वास्कोच्या वाडे तळयेचेर राफ्टिंग उपक्रम आयोजीत केल्ले। ह्या वेळार बांबोळे वाठारांतल्या माध्यमीक विद्यालयाची मुख्याध्यापिका हाजीर आशिल्ली। ह्या उपक्रमांत कितल्याशाच भुरग्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो।
See, this is the 7th year that the school students are doing rafting here. And this is happening because of the beautified Wadem Lake. And not only this, so many other people come here and do rafting. I'm very happy that this activity is taking place on the occasion of the birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I think not only this program, so many other programs including the beach cleaning which we just launched are taking place. Similarly, a visit to the Balwadi where what they needed has been given to them. So this is going to help promote goodness in society and improving the lack of infrastructure. Anything that the students need, the school needs, is being fulfilled. So I think this is a very good program being launched, or various programs being launched on the occasion of the birthday. Is going to help us to do many things which our citizens require, our young students require.